Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Kenneth. I'm the founder of Zappy Production as well as Green Robo Studio. Today, I want to give the shout out to my Sifu, Derric Chew, for helping me out so much. Back then, I was killing it in Amazon dropshipping, and I was so confident that I thought I could conquer anything. And that's how I ended up in Derric Chew's class. He was so confident, he said that he has this technique to make money online through SEO, and I was like so intrigued because I'm so into the whole internet marketing space thing. I had to go to his class to learn, and I was so surprised that the things that his class was so simplified that I was like thinking, are you serious? That simple? You're going to just teach this simple thing and it's going to work out? And then to be honest, I started out a bit of a negative mindset back then. But one thing good about his class, he's not only teaching you the technical side, but he teaches you a little bit of mindset. So it helps to keep me positive a bit. To be honest, it took me a while. Actually, not a while. It took me a long time to take the real action. Suddenly, back in pandemic last year, December, actually I went to his class around 2 years ago. And then during December last year, I just wanted to go into SEO and I just had to do it. And thank goodness I had Derric Chew's advisors, his notes and stuff. I took action, and guess what? Today, I had 3 pages, 3 keywords on first page of Google, which makes a huge difference. There's inquiries coming in like 3, 4, 5, 6, and the best part is, in Zappy Production, the numbers is high, it's a high ticket deal. So I have closed totally from, let's say I started in December till now, I've closed probably about close to 200 to 300K of deals, of revenue. And I just took out about 300 to 400 plus domain and the team that I bought. So the team as in the team for the WordPress and plus the domain and the hosting. So it's probably about 300 to 400. But all I just want to say is thank you so much, Derric Chew. Your stuff is amazing. Your class is amazing. I'm looking forward for more of your classes. I'm looking more to help you out, to push whatever you're doing, to share with the rest of the world what you're sharing. And let's all just do some great internet business, man. Anyway, I'll just really from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you, Derric Chew. You actually saved my business and you saved my life, man. Take care. If you need me anytime, just give me a call, text me, and holla me. Ciao, man. Take care.